Hello my favorite people, I hope you are doing great. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix your Memepad problem. All right, a lot of people been asking me, they used to see this Memepad is coming soon and it's not coming soon, like seriously. All right, so this is the same thing that happened with dogs when Bloom start doing the dogs drop game. A lot of people used to see that dog is coming soon, but it never come. So this is exactly the same thing happening here. So there is way to fix this, and if you really want to fix this, you have to follow me step by step. I'm going to show you how to do it. And before that, if you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe. Go and subscribe now before we begin. Okay, show me some love, go and subscribe. All right, so as you can see, what you are going to do, what is exactly the reason why you are seeing this is because they didn't agree with the wallet that you connected to your Bloom. So probably you connected to your Telegram wallet, or you connected with the wallet that you never had any transaction before. So what you are going to do now is exactly, you just need to go straight to where your wallet is. You touch your wallet like this, you touch it in here, you touch this position, look up here, and when you touch it like this, it's gonna show you this active. The wallet is active, is okay, but you have to disconnect this wallet. All right, press disconnect like this. So you disconnected your wallet, as you can see. So you have to connect the wallet again. So what we are going to do, before I connected this account with Telegram wallet, and now I'm going to change and connect it to with Tonkeeper. All right, so if you really want to see your account change, you need to connect with this. Don't connect with Telegram wallet. Do not connect with Telegram wallet. Probably your Telegram wallet never had any transactions before. So what you are going to do, go directly and touch your Tonkeeper, my Ton wallet, Ton Move, or this the wallet. I don't know. If you touch Tonkeeper, I'm going to try with Tonkeeper. All right, so I will touch Tonkeeper like this. When you touch Timekeeper like this, it's gonna take you there and you're gonna connect successfully. Wait and see. I'm gonna show you exactly what you need to do. All right, please subscribe. Please go and hit that subscribe button. Like, if you have any question you want to ask, go to the comment section and ask. Share the video with your friends. All right, so as you can see, we touch connect here. Touch connect, then you put your password in here. As you can see, I just put my password and my account is done. All right, so my wallet is connected again. As you can see, my wallet is connected. So when you do this, what you are going to do is you just need to quit the Bloom. You have to quit and give it a time, like 1 or 2 hours. If possible, you can give it 24 hours. Wait for a day and keep coming back and checking. Your account is going to change. It's going to change from this Memepad is coming soon to you will see a normal Memepad. All right, so this is how to do it. It's easy as that. So please, if you are new to my channel, go and subscribe to my channel. I will be updating you with stuff like this back to back. All right, thank you very much.